Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can download NBA 2K25 on your Android, and let's get on to it. So you are going to go to your Chrome browser and you're going to search in stream. Then you are going to click on this first link that you find here, and then you're going to go to your search bar and search in NBA 2K25. On this page, you can see a wide range of options depending on different ratings of the game. So you can download any version of this game depending on your preference. And you just choose to add to cart. So using this simple method, you can easily download NBA 2K25 on your Android. And that is how it's done. Consider subscribing.